Bolgana yachume bena Sodom khuwe khabde yuke Sodom likhe palka taju Bolgana yachume bena Sodom khuwe khabde.
The Nishi are one of the largest tribal communities of Arunachal Pradesh. Adept in working with locally available materials, the Nishi construct their houses on raised platforms. Each long house may house 60 to 70 individuals belonging to a single clan. The traditional long house has no internal partitions, but there is a separate hearth for each family. The Nishi belong to the Tani group of tribes. According to their folklore, the community migrated from the Yunnan province in China. In Arunachal Pradesh, they are settled mainly in the districts of Kurung Kume, Pradadi, Papumpare and East Kameng. The Nishi are skilled in bamboo basketry, using this abundant natural resource to weave baskets, winnows and other household containers. The traditional headgear of the Nishi men is a bamboo hat decorated with the feathers and beak of the great Indian hornbill. The Nishi has created some ingenious tools to help them shave and smoothen bamboo. Traditionally a hunter-warrior tribe, today the community earns a livelihood through a combination of agriculture, fishing and animal husbandry, as well as bamboo basketry and weaving. Nyokum is one of the most important festivals of the Nishis, and an occasion on which young and old dress in the beautiful and distinctive attire of the community. Nishi women don a simple white cloth draped over one shoulder and secured at the waist with a girdle of metal discs. Traditionally, the Nishi worship the sun and moon deities, among other natural elements.
Rikambo padango ay ngoja Rinyambo yamingo ay ngoja Rikambo padango ay ngoja
During the Nyokum festival, the community prays to their deities for village prosperity and to ward off malevolent spirits. The Rekampara dance is part of these festivities and is characterized by the simple, graceful movements of the Nishi women. Traditionally, men and women take part in this dance, singing folk songs. The men wear a cotton robe that falls to the thighs, along with a waistband, bead necklaces, and the traditional headdress. They sometimes also carry a knife or sword. Men also provide the musical accompaniment, striking large gongs in time with the song. In the past, when the Nishi migrated to a new location, the Nyokum rituals were performed after the land was cleared for a new settlement. A sacrifice would be made, and the community would implore their deities to bless them. As the Nishi transitioned into a settled life, they continued to seek the blessings of the rain goddess for a good harvest through the Nyokum festivities.
Bolgana yachme bena Senyo pue kapte yuke Senyo leke palka taju
Bolgana yachme bena Senyo pue kapte yuke Senyo leke palka taju
Bolgana yachme bena.
Spread across several days, the Nyokum festivities begin with a procession to the village shrine, where the priest will chant prayers and offer a ritual sacrifice of goat, mithun and fowl. As part of this ritual, the men and women take part in the Rekhampada dance. The men also engage in mock fights, wielding a short sword and shield.
तो है ये रिकम्पादा हमारा एक उत्सव है न्योकुम के पर्व पे उनको किया जाता है। न्योकुम उसमें दो शब्दों में बता हुआ है। न्यो मीन्स वो पर्टिकुलर एक एरिया है, कुम माने वो जहाँ गैदरिंग होता है, जहाँ सब इकट्ठे होके वो समय में फेस्टिवल करते हैं। एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जब माइग्रेशन होता है, जब वो माइग्रेशन होता है तो वो उन्हीं मतलब शुद्धिकरण के लिए वो जगह को वो साफ करके उसमें एक पूजा पाठ के करता है कि उसमें एक बलि भी देता है। तो वो ज़माने में ऐसे किया करते थे। आज के नई पीढ़ी है वो उन्हें थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन ला के ये त्यौहार मनाया जाता है। स्पेशल ये त्यौहार हमारे जो फसल को अच्छा होने के लिए, हमारे पशुपालन में अच्छे होने के लिए और हमें रोगों से बचाने के लिए हम इसमें न्योकुम आने की पूजा करते हैं, आराधना करते हैं उनके।
During the festival, the village women will carry rice beer and rice paste as offerings to the deities, cleansing the temporary shrine constructed of bamboo poles with water. The festivities end with the entire village coming together to implore the spirits to accept offerings of rice beer and dancing in celebration. Following the Nyokum rituals, the Nishi will abstain from travelling out of the village or working in the house and fields for a few days. They believe that rains following the Nyokum are a signal from the spirits that they have been appeased. In the 1950s and 60s, the increasing contact with the outside world led the Nishi and other Tani tribe elders to search for ways to safeguard the traditions and cultural identity of the community. Through their efforts, the Nishi community continues to hold on to their beliefs in the traditional deities. The community comes together and celebrates festivals such as Nyokum with much delight. The rituals associated with these festivities, including dances such as the Rekhampada and the Nishi origin stories, have endured to this day and will hopefully continue to be passed down to future generations.
Gumilo te cha salo kojuma